pwedeng magandang makeup today. Nandito ako sa roof deck to catch some sun. But unfortunately, dumidilim na naman. First things first, lilinisin muna natin yung mukha ko. Oh no. And I will try, as in, isa-strive natin today na as in malapit yung makeup talaga sa filter. I am torn kung ano yung unahin ko. So, meron tayong dalawang choices. It's the Love Blush at saka yung Faux Freckle. First filter natin is the Love Blush. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm using the Novo 8i. This is the newest from Huawei. And it's so cool, no? It's so chic and it's so nice. So, itatanggalin ko yung jelly case para makita niyo yung colors talaga niya. Whenever you get a new phone from Huawei, you get this jelly case. But gosh, guys, the color. Instead na magpa-full face foundation tayo, magko-concealan tayo on parts na okay i-conceal. So, spot correcting is key. And I will just conceal my under eyes. And para may guide ako, I saved the video. Yan, here. Ganda sa sarili. Pak! Do you also feel that? Yung kailangan na, okay, wait for now. Hindi mo na ako filter kasi nasasanay ka na sa itsura mo with a filter on. And it feels weird. Yung ganong feeling, parang hindi siya at all healthy for me. So, I went back to using my filter yung Freckle blush kasi wala namang face deformation yun. Going back muna sa tutorial, I am keeping my brows as light as possible. So, I'm just using a brow pencil. This part, madali naman siya kasi ang gagawin ko lang is, ano lang talaga, wash lang ng color sa lids. But the thing is, yung lids hanggang ditong part lang, hindi na masyado tayong parang hindi na masyado dito. More on, dito lang sa crease part. Actually, guys, it doesn't matter kung anong gamitin yung eyeshadow and blush. Hindi nyo kailangan sundin yung mga ginagamit ko. The key is, kailangan malapit yung color ng blush ninyo sa eyeshadow ninyo. Or if you can use your blush as your eyeshadow, go for it. Kailangan talaga nandun yung monochromatic effect. Mag-soft liner lang ako para may definition lang yung eyes ko. So, I'm just going to apply this brown liner. Oh no, ang weird na ng lashes ko kasi hindi ko pa napapatanggal kasi nagsarado yung mga So, hindi ko, weird. Ito na yung importanteng part of this filter, itong blush. Tapos medyo heavy on this part. Okay lang din dito under the eyes. Damay siya. Tapos meron siyang konti sa nose. Sipon. Nasobrahan. Wait natin lagay sa bridge. Now, this is the exciting part, which is the stenciling of the hearts. Pero instead nga of stencil, ang gagawin ko is tatanggalin na natin yung negative space using a Q-tip or cotton buds or kung ano meron kayo. Meron akong makeup remover dito. Tapos medyo ititrace ko lang yung edge ng heart para mas umangat pa siya. Ang cute. So every now and then kasi chine-check ko siya sa camera para makita ko kung achieve ba yung colors or kumuha ba siyang filters. So far, so good. And so lastly, dun na tayo sa lips. Sa lips naman niya, matingkad talaga. Para siyang, actually, medyo tint ang dating. Actually, hindi ako sure kung matingkad nga ito eh. Hindi pa to sobrang tingkad, pero baka pwede kong gawa ng paraan with the eyeshadow. Subok tayo na, okay, mukhang got you. Mas may titingkad pa daw ba dito?
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger. All willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer. All busy and pretty, just making believe.
We are back for filter number 2 and nag-ready na ako with my foundation kasi it's gonna be like the same base naman as the first filter. Ang gagawin natin would be contouring and I will be using concealers. Magsastart ako under my eyes or dito sa gitna just to brighten up the look kasi nakita ko na medyo, you know, may pagka-bright yung itsura niya or flawless. Tapos a little bit of dark concealer. Konti lang here. Here, and then on the sides of my face. I-blend ko muna yung contour kasi mas madaling i-blend muna yung dark for me. Tapos saka ko siya, oh my gosh, wow, this is dark. Hold up. Aminin natin na pasobra yung contour sa ilong. But since filter naman siya, okay lang. Ito yung dahilan kung ba't gusto kong i-blend muna yung contour para hindi excess yung product. May konting pink redness sa eyes. So, in this case, I am going to use the blush that I'm going to use later on. I think yung nakikita kong isang pro din pala is nauuso yung blemish or like imperfection, sort of like texture sa face. Before, I would try so hard na matakpan siya with concealer and gusto ko lang parang like perfect canvas, like perfect, flawless face. But, you know what, sabi ko, it's nice to have little imperfections. Lalo na kung meron akong dark spots, mas gusto ko na lang dagdagan or emphasize siya para, alam mo yun, para mas embrace mo yung imperfections. And yun naman yung na-appreciate ko with filters, since nga, maraming filters and maraming sikat na filters na imperfections or blemishes sa face na talagang parang na-normalize. I really appreciate that. And the moment of truth. We are now going with the Freckle technique. And I have here a bunch of products. Meron akong concealer, dark concealer. Meron akong brow mascara. 2 shades. Meron akong light brown and medium brown. Yung freckles ang technique dyan, kailangan talaga parang random and iba-iba. So there are actually like very fast ways to achieve freckles. May iba naman na gumagamit ng brow pencil, eyeshadow, iba-iba talaga ng technique and tool. Hindi muna ako nagba-blush. I see some people nagba-blush na sila before the freckles. But the thing is, freckles kasi naturally nasa skin mo na eh. Tapos pinapatong mo yung blush, diba? So I want to achieve yung parang nasa skin siya yung freckles instead na nasa taas siya ng blush, which makes it a natural. Meron din ako isang technique, which is eyeshadow and setting spray and a little bit of alcohol. Wow! Not bad, pero ang gulo nung pagkakaano ko, spray ko. Dito sa malapit siya sa ilong, tapos medyo damay din yung ilong. Pero guys, yung ginawa ko kaninang freckles, yung eyeshadow, hindi siya natatanggal. Hindi siya nasa-smudge. Sa lahat, actually, simple yung base, yung blush, yung kilay, everything except for the freckles. But I have to say, I'm amazed na ang pinaka-effective would be the setting spray with a little bit of alcohol plus the eyeshadow kasi yun yung pinaka-sturdy na freckles. Medyo parang enlarged yung lips dito, so I am going to overline my lips. Maglaline ako outside my actual lip line. So I will be using this shade right here. And then pat-pat lang all over my lips. Ang test na lang natin is titingnan natin siya sa phone kung paano siya magre-register and kung papasa ba siya as filter. But so far, I'm very happy as a makeup look. Kitang-kita ko yung freckles and also like the glow at saka yung flush of color. This excites me. So we'll see kung anong magiging itsura niya. guys won. Here's what you suggested. Thank you so much for your suggestions and thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions then or if you have any thoughts, any further suggestions sa filters, let me know in the comments. And also, details ng products na ginamit ko, ilalagay ko sa description box below. And also more details about this new baby, the Nova 8i, the Huawei Nova 8i. I will be placing them as well on the description box below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!